Hacksters, Alex Glow here, and I'm back with another PCB project for Avnet's 100-year anniversary. This one celebrates Avnet's legacy with guild guitars and other musical connections. And we're going to be opening up two different versions from Osh Park. I don't know which is which. Let's get this one open first. Like all of Osh Park's orders, these come in batches of 3. Ooh, and the first one is the After Dark version. These are designed to be used as earrings, pendants, keychains, or anything else you can think of. And the design is obviously based on a guitar pick, with the Avnet logo reinterpreted as the headstock of a guitar. The back of the pick will hold an LED and a battery, so that you get some really cool green backlighting when you have it all soldered up. Now let's take a look at the other one. This one is in the traditional Osh Park purple, but it's a half-height PCB, so it's more like the thickness of an actual guitar pick. This is the one I'll probably actually use with a guitar or other instrument. Alright, let's put these together. This is the second custom PCB I've made for Avnet's 100-year anniversary. In our last video, we left off at the introduction of semiconductors, and Avnet becoming the first technology distributor to place an order with Intel in 1969. What followed was a slew of acquisitions, expanding and diversifying Avnet into a broad range of industries. In this time period, Avnet acquired British Industries Corporation, which produced cassette decks, turntables, and speakers. Plus, this made Avnet the first technology distributor on the New York Stock Exchange. Through Hamilton Electro Sales, Time Electronic Sales, and Electro Air, they began distributing electronic components locally across the east and west coasts from a plethora of suppliers. They covered everything from ball bearings to test equipment and even air freshener chemicals, as well as acquiring Carroll Wire and Cable, a huge player in consumer and heavy industry machines. Avnet began supplying parts for lighting and giftware, plus trophies, crystal bottles, and toiletry mirrors through Irving W. Rice. They obtained the rights to the Shaw process, which enabled archaeologists to cast multiple high-quality, reproducible items from a single mold. They sold to mining concerns, museums, metal foundries, toy makers, nuclear energy parts, and governments worldwide. And through guild guitars, the inspiration for this project, the Beatles became customers, and Jimi Hendrix played an Avnet guitar at a bar late one night at the Castaways Hotel. Liberty Records also joined the crew. In 1968, under the new name Avnet Inc., they joined the Fortune 500 at number 467. In the 1970s, their broad reach enabled Avnet to weather the economic slump. Later, even while expanding markets, the company narrowed its focus again, homing in on 5 main areas: electronic components, consumer products, wire and cable, automotive, and electrical and engineering markets. In the 80s, under Tony Hamilton, Avnet pruned back even further, focusing in hard on technology distribution. They had the top spot in US distribution for semiconductors, connectors, passive components, and early computer products, where they saw triple-digit growth. It was a hectic few decades where Avnet branched out across hundreds of different industries, then pruned back to a laser focus on the future of its original mission. Avnet held on to guild guitars until 1989, when it no longer made sense given the company's core markets. It was an interesting slice of history for a technology distributor, and I thought it was worth celebrating with this PCB design, which you can actually use to play a guitar.